This is a lot of trash.
Yeah, it is.
Have you seen our trash today?
No, it's too much.
Wow. There's a lot of trash. It's almost like yard sale day.
Yeah, it is. We're trying to lucky.
Yeah, really. There's a lot of trash, and there's a lot like old toys that we can just make better.
Yeah. We can make better.
And have you ever like how are we gonna fit this all on a truck? Like it's too much to fit on a roll truck.
Yeah, but I think we have to carry it on our backs.
Maybe. Let's go. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Why? Come on. We're almost out of gas. We should go.
Yeah, we
Like
should
for now.
We should go.
Oh, we're at the gas station. Let's put some gas into our vehicle.
That's enough.
Let me see how much. Oh, we have 8 gallons. We need to get to 20. Oh, now we have 20. Let's go. Let's go to AAA.
Yeah.
Oh, we're at AAA. Let's go. Let's go in the restaurant. Let's go. I would like some hamburgers. Thank you. It's so
I
good.
would like some chicken nuggets. Thank you.
Come on. Let's go.
Good.
Oh, 1 more minute till we get to our stop. There you are. It's called a trash can. My name is Shep.
My name is Jude.
And we are the Gunshot Bros. Thank you for watching our movie.